Put in here the XPS insulation, and that's been cemented in now, and we foamed it out as well, so we just need to plaster it again with the same plaster that we have here. I'm just giving the old mixing machine a service for the big day tomorrow. Pep's going around the house with the compressor, pressing and blowing everything, all the dust away, and this is what it looks like. Full of old stuff, and everything needs to be cleaned. You can see the plastic strips with the netting that we've inserted here behind the pieces of wood, and basically this yellow strip on there is a sticky strip, so I just need to peel that yellow strip off, and then I'm putting on the plastic covering to protect the windows from when we plaster, which is really helpful because I don't need to do anything with sellotape or sticky tape or painter's tape. I can just basically line up the plastic and then cut it on one side, and that's really useful. Guys are working on the windows because they're the most complicated part of the process. Windows and doors So we've got like the corner protection with the netting that goes in. I'm cutting that one to size, and then there's one that goes along the top, and then we've got net that goes in the corners, and this is all of course to stop rips and cracks opening up in the plaster. Yeah, and these have got to be cut to size and cut out, some of them, and of course then it has to be all plastered really well into the corners, and they've been doing a good job. I can show you because these guys are professional, of course. And of course you have to remember this is the first coat. Second coat that will go onto this will contain the net. It will be all netted out, and then we'll be able to do the third coat, which is the final coloured coat.
Was er nog een rieswet?
Ja, so wie passt das schon so.
Ja, passt ja.
Passt, passt jetzt schnell rum. Guck mal. War wieder was.
Ja. Dat is eens net, ja.
So the rain's back, but we haven't stopped. And in fact, this side we've put in the grid. So that's the second coating ready for the final one. Just got to dry, of course. So that's the first 2 layers, including the net. It's looking really good. The next one in a week, there'll be colour.